Imagine two people eating the same meal, the same food, the same portion, yet their bodies respond differently. One feels energized, the other feels tired. One feels mentally clear, the other feels sluggish. Why would the same food produce different effects? Part of the answer lies in a surprising place: the microorganisms living inside the gut. Inside the human digestive system lives a vast ecosystem of trillions of microscopic organisms. This ecosystem is known as the gut microbiome. It contains bacteria, viruses, and other microbes that interact with the body in complex ways. For many years, scientists believed these microbes only helped digest food, but research is revealing something far more fascinating. The microbiome may also influence signals that reach the brain. But how could microorganisms in the gut affect brain function? To understand this, we need to examine the biological communication pathways connecting the gut and the brain. Because the gut is not isolated from the nervous system. It is part of a communication network, known as the brain-gut axis. One of the key pathways in this system is the vagus nerve. The vagus nerve carries signals between the brain and several internal organs, including the digestive system. Through this pathway, information about digestive activity and internal conditions can reach the brain. But here's where it gets interesting. Gut microbes help break down certain nutrients that the body cannot digest on its own. During this process, they produce metabolic byproducts. Some of these molecules interact with immune cells and nerve cells in the gut. These signals can influence pathways that communicate with the brain, and this leads to an unexpected effect. The gut microbiome may influence systems involved in metabolism, immune activity, and neural signaling. But the brain doesn't stop there. The digestive system also produces several important chemical messengers. One example is serotonin. Serotonin is a neurotransmitter involved in mood, sleep, and many other physiological processes. Interestingly, a large portion of the body's serotonin is produced in the digestive system. Although serotonin in the gut does not directly cross into the brain, it influences signaling pathways within the body that interact with neural systems. But the brain does something even more fascinating. The brain constantly monitors signals related to digestion, nutrient availability, and internal body conditions. These signals help regulate hunger, energy balance, and behavior. If nutrient signals change, the brain adjusts metabolism and appetite accordingly. From an evolutionary perspective, this system allowed the brain to track energy availability efficiently. Food intake, digestion, nutrient absorption, all provide important information about the body's internal state. By integrating signals from the gut, the brain could regulate survival-related behaviors. But modern research continues uncovering how complex this communication really is. Neural signals, hormonal signals, immune signals, all interacting between the gut and the brain. Once you understand this system, something fascinating becomes clear. Your digestive system is not just processing food. It is sending constant information to the brain, helping the brain understand what is happening inside the body. By the way, if you're interested in understanding how the brain and body actually work, this channel explores the science behind those systems. Many aspects of human health become easier to understand when we examine the biology behind them. And the connection between gut microbes and the brain is one of the most intriguing examples. Your brain is not operating alone. It is part of a network of systems constantly communicating throughout the body. Vera Human explains the science behind how the human system works. Subscribe if you're curious about the biology of being human.